Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, heated leather seats, heated steering wheel, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these two-tone doors. We're going to have our paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, accompanied by our rear liftgate control and our seat memory. You have your speakers on the bottom here, and then I'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows, the chrome accent handle. And onto the interior, you're going to have the brown and black heated leather seats, very comfortable. Of course, on the left side, you're going to have your vents and your lighting control. And on the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and your heated steering wheel. On the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So with the odometer cluster control, pretty much access all of your vehicle information from your fuel economy to your oil life, tire pressure, air filter, as well as your music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and other settings as well. Push start right there. Obviously, we're going to have our climate control with the heated seats, the auto stop right above it. And here onto the infotainment system, Apple Carplay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also access OnStar services and navigation with My Chevrolet, and also download other apps as well. Down below, you're going to have two USB ports as well as an SD card reader and a 12-volt DC port right next to a wireless charging pad, park assist and all-wheel drive right above it. Of course, the new shifter and cup holders, and the center console with two extra USB ports inside. Passenger side, manually adjustable, still going to have the two-tone finish, heated as well. And across the door and across the dash, you're going to have that brown mocha. Of course, you're going to have speakers up top. And here you can access your sunglass case holder, your reading lamps, and your OnStar services and your SOS. You're going to have these 18-inch aluminum wheels here with the paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass. To the back, classic Chevrolet logo. Powered lift gate. Don't mind those are just the mats. You're going to have the 60/40 folding seats, as well as extra hooks, lamps in the back, as well as a 12-volt DC port, and extra wheel storage on the bottom. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear, you're going to have the speakers on the bottom again, accompanied by your storage. Comes up here to the power windows with the chrome accent handle again. You're going to have the two-tone seats in the back as well. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's seat with rear ventilation and rear USB ports. And all the bottom, you're going to have an AC wall charger as well. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, and lamps and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar services, navigation, heated leather seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.